Okay, let's have a discussion about email etiquette because there really is such a thing. And how you present yourself in email really does help you to get the kind of response that you want back. So, the first thing that you have to recognize is your audience. With anything that you write, who are you writing for? Because if you're writing for a 10-year-old, it's a lot different than writing to your senator. So, in this case, you and I are not friends, even as friendly as I might come across. It's a different relationship. So you need to acknowledge that by being more formal in how you even start. And it needs to have a salutation like, Dear Ms. Kleitch, Dear Professor Kleitch, something like that, that says that you recognize that this is a formal communication. Then I need to know something about you. What class are you in? That's a really good place to start. And then what assignment are you dealing with, or what is specifically the problem that you're doing? And if it is tied to an assignment or your final grade or something like that, you really need to state that with specificity, because I have students working, at any given time on 3 or 4 different assignments within the same class. All right, then once you've stated what your problem is, you should reflect that you have tried to find the answer yourself. This is what professionals do, whether you're in petroleum engineering, mechanical engineering, if you're going to be doing grant writing, if you're working in biology, all these things. You're college educated, and you should show that you have tried to find the answer yourself. So, did you look in the assignment? Did you look in the syllabus? If it's about a grade, did you might have to look in all 3 of those places, what the comments for the feedback were, the assignment itself, and the syllabus, so that you can dial in your question as narrowly as possible, because that's how you're going to get an answer that's going to address your needs. Speaking of your needs, you should clearly state what outcome you're looking for. Can you please explain to me? Where can I find? Help guide me in the right point. How can I do better on this detail? Can you point me to resources? All those kinds of things. State what kind of outcome that you're looking for. Just for fun, I'm going to share with you the wording on an email that I got last semester. First of all, it came from a personal email account that was like dirtyjerseygirl@yahoo.com. No salutation. This is what it said. With all due respect, you should have been upfront with your grades. I would have tried harder. I got a C- and feel like I failed. I thought I was doing fine. I worked hard and tried. Sorry, my work wasn't good enough. Okay. And that was the end of it. I don't even know who this email is from. I don't know what class. I don't know what assignment. And I don't know what is expected. What are you supposed to do? So you can see where, somebody's pouring their heart out, but that isn't the kind of relationship that we have. So don't be that person. Be educated, be specific, and you'll get the kind of feedback from me as your professor in this class, from other professors, and in your professional world. So hopefully this little discussion will serve you well for many years to come.